So hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're gonna be talking about Terry Booth being on Midas letter. I have a little clip that he talks about Terry Booth coming on the show in the next 2 weeks. This video was recorded on January 17, 2020, which was about a week ago on Friday. So I'm assuming that next week he's gonna be here, there, or it's going to be in February, sometime in February. So let's play the video and I'll talk more about it.
Hey, I also got a call from Terry Booth at Aurora this week. Terry's going to be in town in a couple weeks, and we're going to have him on the show.
You know what? That stock got down to under $2, I think, recently, but it's
bouncing off the bottom.
Well, there seems to be a short cover rally. I think we've seen about $14-15 off the low now on weed.
No kidding.
It's almost a double.
I know, eh?
And it doesn't take long.
Jesus.
And when you think
Well, I think that the going into the
So I'm gonna play. I guess it could have been like a 10-second clip, but it ended up being a little bit longer. Let me just check my volume. So my volume's still there. So what I think is gonna happen is I think there's a possibility that he could come in and talk about some kind of big news, breaking news. So the week that he comes in to talk to James on Midas letter, this is what I believe. I could totally be wrong, and this is pure speculation on my part. But I believe that when he does come in to talk to James from Midas letter, he's going to have some big news. The company is going to be releasing some big news, and then he's going to be talking about that big news. Or rather, he'll have a subject to talk about. But I could be wrong, and could be pure speculation. But I think it's going to be interesting when he comes in and he does talk. I think the stock price will pop to the upside. But I could be wrong, and nothing could happen at all. But it's still very, very exciting. I want to hear a lot of stuff that he's talking about. Like, I'm hoping to hear that he's talking very positively about the new 2.0 products selling like hotcakes, and Aurora is, basically everything is flying off of Aurora's shelves, and the supply is not meeting demand. I just hope he talks a lot positively about edibles and how he hints. I'm hoping, I don't know if he'll do this, but I'm hoping he also hints at near-term profitability from from doing so well in the edible, the 2.0 market. I hope he talks about that, but at the same time, there's a chance he might not. But I'm still crossing my fingers and hoping that is a scenario. But next week or the week after will be very exciting, and I think earnings will come right after the Midas letter. But again, I could be wrong. Aurora is down. So what I think is going to happen is Aurora is probably going to sink. But I could be wrong. I think that it's going to sink, and then when Terry Booth comes out and he talks, I think the stock will move back to at least $2 or higher. So in the short term, in the next couple of days, maybe next week, I think Aurora might sink to below, maybe back to $1.50. That would be awesome, because then that would create a huge opportunity to make a swing trade, because Aurora is going to go down to $1.50, Terry Booth's going to come out, stock's going to get pushed back to $2. If people who caught it at at the bottom before Terry Booth comes out, then they will make a really nice swing trade. At least that's my opinion. I don't know, maybe Aurora will just float sideways for the next week. And then when Terry Booth comes out, it moves up a little bit, and then earnings come out, it crashes. That could be a possibility. I don't know, but I think that if the stock moves down to $1.50, back to its 52-week low, that would be a buying opportunity simply because I think when Terry Booth comes out, the stock will probably move back to $2. I could be wrong, but that's me pure speculation. And then it's also a scenario that the stock will trade sideways for the next couple weeks. Canopy Growth, Canopy sinking this morning. If Canopy sinks, Aurora will sink with it, and the stock price will go down. So if Canopy goes down, I'm pretty confident that Aurora will go down with it. Kron is trading sideways this morning. Kron also looks like it's kind of imitating Canopy right now. Afria this morning is also imitating Canopy. The market this morning is mixed. Actually, it's quite red. Only thing that was slightly green is the S&P 500. Oil is never mind. S&P fixed itself. Oil is down 2.77%. That's huge. That's like that's a major crash. I think that oil is downtrending. Again, anytime, any moment, anything can happen, and the oil could spike. But everything's looking really ugly right now. Netflix this morning, it's bouncing. It's bouncing, and market is really ugly in general. So that's kind of weird. But hey, you know what? I don't really want to predict Netflix. It's a inflated bubble that rich people like to manipulate to regardless. So yeah. Anyways, AMD this morning probably tanking with the market. Tesla probably pulling back simply because the market's pulling back and Tesla is in kind of like a little big bubble. Neo stock, I wish I bought a put option because I was looking at the price and it was around $5.50 something cents. If I bought a put option on it, I would be up so big right now. So big. Chap Energy is down 2 cents. Chesapeake is down 1.5 cents. I think Chap's going to go down further, and I think Chesapeake could go down further simply because oil is so bad this morning. Just so bad. I'm surprised that Netflix not following the trend, but Netflix did have a small crash yesterday and probably just recovering from his crash today. Disney is down $1.88. Licking that call option. I think that when earnings come around, I think Disney's going to skyrocket from all the Disney Plus subscribers. But maybe that's already priced into the stock and it'll just continue to further decline. Who knows? Market sometimes earnings can be gambling. Earnings is basically gambling. Beyond Meat down this morning $5.68, $4.64%. Pullback in Beyond Meat could be an opportunity. Liberal Health Science is neutral. Harvest Health. I honestly believe that rich people manipulate this stock. Seriously, day traders might help manipulate the stock, but it's mostly rich people. They want to move this stock up, they'll buy the crap out of it. So Liberal Health Science this morning trade not doing too much, kind of flat. Harvest Health this morning down additional 16 cents, makes it even tastier for people who want to take a position. Cresco Labs, right now Harvest is probably a stay away stock simply because this lawsuit with Falcon is kind of kicking them in the butt. So yeah, Cresco Labs this morning is looking low green. MedMan's probably red. Yep. I don't have a single share in MedMan. Makes me happy. It goes down because I can buy it for cheap. True Eve for swing trading. True Eve up 8 cents. Green Thumb Industries down 11 cents. Curaleaf down additional 12 cents this morning. Ianthus not up 2 cents. So Ianthus is a low green today, but I don't think that's gonna last. It all depends on Canopy. Slang worldwide down half a penny. Bitcoin this morning had a small little massive pullback, small pullback, but yeah, I don't know how this is gonna affect Hive. We can look at Hive blockchain technology, see where it is this morning. This morning didn't do too much for Hive. Hive started off the day. It opened at 13.5 cents and it pulled back already a penny. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.